Hello, this is a advanced JavaScript tutorial part 8. In this tutorial I am going to explain about the array object, how to create a array object in JavaScript and what is the syntax for it and how to access the array elements. Arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable. Array can hold many items and you can access item values by referring to the index number. This is the syntax. You can see I'm creating here one cars array and giving the item name Honda City Alto Baleno. This is the first way of creating array, and in second way you can create a array object. You can give the syntax like new array and the values whatever you want to give. How to add the array elements to an existing array. You can use cars.push method and give the element. This will add at 0th index. Cars.length, this is adds at last. So this push method is used to add an element to the array object, and for removing we can use push.pop. This will cars.pop, it will remove the object from the array. JavaScript does not support arrays with named index. In JavaScript arrays always use numbered index. So if this is a array, fruits, banana, orange, apple, mango, type of fruits returns object, because array is a object in JavaScript. You use array.isArray fruits returns true. So isArray method of array class is used to calculate or recognize whether the object is array or not. Or instance of, you can use fruits instance of array. If this is written true, then fruits is array. Create own isArray function. You are creating a isArray function and you are calling x.constructor.toString dot index of array is greater than -1. If this is returning true, then the past object is an array. Splicing an array. There is a method called splice in array object. Methods can be used to add new items to an array. Here I am creating object array fruits. There are 4 elements now. I am executing this method fruits.splice 20 lemon kiwi. The first parameter 2 defines the position where the new element should be added, spliced in. So at 2 position, 0, 1, 2 position, lemon will be inserted. And the second parameter 0 defines how many elements should be removed. Here 2 is the index of the position where the new element is added, and 0 is the number of elements should be removed. And the rest of the parameter lemon and q defines the new elements to be added. So at 2th position, lemon and q will be added. So the new result array will be banana, orange, lemon, kiwi, apple, mango. Using splice to remove element in an array. Fruit splice 0, 1. That means at 0th index, first element will be removed. Remove the first element of the element. Concatenating arrays. First array dot concate second array. First array dot concate second array and third array. You can concate different arrays like this. Slice method also can take two arguments like slice 1 3. The method then selects elements from the start argument and pop to the end argument. If the end argument is omitted, like the first example, the slice method slices out the rest of the array. We'll see the demo. Array and object difference. What are the difference between the array and the object? In JavaScript, array use numbered index, but in JavaScript, objects use named index. Array is a special kind of object with numbered index. When to use object? JavaScript does not support associative arrays. You should use objects when you want the element names to be string. When the elements names are string, you can use the objects at that moment, but when you want to use an array when the named to be numbers. There is no need to use the JavaScript built-in array constructor new array. Use double brace instead. Creates the array with two elements 40 and 100. This syntax. Creates an array with 40 undefined elements. So always it is advised to create an array with double brace like this. This is the way you can create. And there is join method, pop, push, shift, unshift method also present. Join method joins all array elements into a string. Fruits dot join star. It will join all the element and return a string. Pop method removes an element from the last. Push method pushes an element to the starting. Pushes an element at the end and returns the new array length. Shifting is equivalent to popping, working on the first element instead of last. The shift method removes the first array element and shifts all other elements to a lower index. Similarly, unshift method adds a new element to the array at the beginning and unshifts other elements. So shift method removes an array object from the starting array element, and unshift method will add another member to the array and it unshifts all the elements to the new index. So deleting also you can do like this. Delete array element fruits 0. Sorting and reverse, you can see on the array object directly you can execute reverse method. It will reverse elements, and also sort you can execute nums.sort. You can pass your function here, function xy, and return x minus y. It will compare the values, and if it is minus, then if x and y, if x is larger, then first one is larger. If x is smaller, then this is larger, and if both are same, it will return 0. So for sorting also you can use another function to sort the years. Cars.sort, here you can pass your own function aba.year. This is sort based upon the years. Comparing the string object. You can compare the strings also. String properties like this. If x is less than y, you can return -1. 0 or +1. We'll see a demo how to print these array elements. Here I have already executed, you can see. Here I am printing the array objects. So for time being I am taking only one array object. So there are three elements. Now I am using cars dot join. You can see first let me explain all the methods whatever we have discussed. This is the car object and this is my first car, means car sub 0, and car sub 0 I can update like this, and I'm adding a new object at the last after 2 gap. So this is for timing, let me comment, and this is also let me comment, and now I'm just printing this array. Now I'm using array shift. So whatever we have discussed here, push pop, this splice method directly you can. So here I'll write the car splice at 2th index 0 will be removed and this 2 will be added, and after this I am printing the car object. You can see here at 2th index 0, 1, 2th index lemon and qui added, and these are shifted. So after adding that, cars.shift, you can see the first element is removed. And then I can use push and pop. The first element is removed, then I am using cars dot push new car. Then I am using pop. The first element new car will be added at 0th index and pop will remove the element from last. So just refresh the page. New car is added, and cast.pop it is removing the last. Here I am pushing two car object and removing one. So you can see car 1 is added and removed. So this is for today, and if you want to get new updates and new videos upload, you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.